If ever there were a paradise, I wish it would be just like this. A beautiful lake, diamond-shaped lake in between the Alps, crystalline waters, smooth rolling hills, and magical castles. Would you care to tell me where I am?
Easy. You're on Lake Garda.
Is this possible? Who is it?
My father was Neptune, god of the sea, and I am the protector of this lake. They call me Benaco.
That's really odd. I don't think it's really... Let me sit down. I might have had too much wine.
Here, everything is possible. You're on Lake Garda. Can you imagine a more beautiful place than this? See how the colours sparkle with this spectacular natural light. Can you feel that fresh air? These incredible features are just what you'd expect from a sunny, peaceful lake that so perfectly encapsulates all that magic. The seasons are mild here, which is thanks to a meeting of water and mountains, as you can see. They create a microclimate, as you'd call it, with gorgeous green landscapes to admire. Don't forget our incredible olive trees and vineyards, where some truly spectacular wines and extra virgin olive oil...
Hey, wait a minute, Mr. Benaco out there. Let's assume that I'm not losing the plot, that I'm not turning crazy. You sound like a fun guy, but now you're talking about wine, and that is my field. Let me tell you that I think I know a wee bit more about you.
Okay, let's see what you've got to say.
So, you write about it, like Lake Garda is this special terroir. You talked about the mountains, true. Without the lake, there will be snow here, impossible to make wine, impossible to have olive groves. Lake Garda absorbs the heat of the summer, and when winter comes, all of a sudden, the beautiful winds go back into the shores of the lake. So as a result, this is the place where one of Italy's greatest wine is actually produced. Do you want to know which wine it is? Let me see. How much do you know about wine, Mr. Benaco?
Oh, I really don't know.
Well, don't worry about it. You seem like a nice guy. Actually, I'm not sure you can actually drink, but here it goes.
What is it?
Look at this beautiful bright color, transparent, wonderful peach aromas, lots of tropical fruit. You really don't know. This is Garda DOC.
So much more than just a wine.
It sounds like you have a future in advertisement, my friend.
I might surprise you with the things I can do.